And Vinaka, to all our friends tuning in this morning, watching this short live, and nonton ko baru takian.
Yan Ravinaka, good morning to everyone tuning in this fine morning.
Yeah.
The weather is very beautiful today.
Oh.
Last day of the year 2025, Demesi.
All right. Today is the 31st. Some of
Right.
us, we are looking forward for our birthday.
Yeah.
Right.
Birthday today, some tomorrow, but this is the night of the wedding night.
Oh!
We are coming together and bongini suwa and bongini kuwa.
Yeah.
So, sukalo tumigalian na tinikarua, but
Yeah.
we have some people,
Yeah.
they are already ready with a bucket of water.
Yes,
Right.
be very careful.
Some, we do it in a respectful way to
Right.
take somebody to the river.
Right.
Yeah.
Some, they hide and do the jobbing.
Yeah.
Simbutako.
Right.
Some, they don't care
Yeah.
who their relationship are.
Right.
Right.
Father or mother or grandfather, they just want to wedding.
Yeah.
Right.
But some, they follow the Vitabaleni.
Right.
Some, they follow the Vitavutaki.
Right.
Yeah.
Some, they just coming, they just happy of you.
Yeah.
They take you to the water.
Don't know
Oh,
Vinaka.
See?
How many types of
Of
wedding?
water.
No, how many types of wedding
Yeah.
are there?
There are different type of wedding.
Yeah.
One wedding is when you from top,
Right.
Burendelamu,
Right.
Right.
and pour water from there.
Hot
Some-
water.
Hot water man. Nabuti-buti nito. Yeah.
Yeah.
Some,
Yeah.
they just on your clothes.
Right.
Some, they take you
Yeah.
all together, your
Right.
whole body.
Yeah.
And
They
throw
put
you.
you into the water.
Okay, right.
And some,
Yeah.
they just on your trousers.
Right.
Some on your back.
Yeah.
Right.
But some, they don't take like that.
Yeah.
They just take your whole robe.
Yeah.
Right.
No mukato. Nangono
Right.
sa Vivian Ikina. O sa sinyo tom, okay lang ba?
Yeah.
Oto meno nakato.
Yeah.
They put into the river.
So they wear the clothes.
They were the clothes.
Yeah.
Somewhere at the house.
So the body, the owner of the clothes is dry. The body,
Yes.
only the clothes dry. Wet.
Because he himself kanto bisumbuta kombe kanto ndende tom. Kunin daw didi never run.
Yeah.
When somebody comes to you, only 1 month of waiting.
Yeah.
Yes, true.
Eleka-leka
Dinsa.
nga ndo nga na bulay ba ndakila ni daw ngono ni besui.
Yeah.
Only this month. But
Yeah.
I urge you,
Yeah.
don't wear your wet clothes from morning in the afternoon.
Yes.
Can cause sickness to you.
Dinsa,
What kind of
dinsa.
sickness?
The
Dennis?
stomach,
The stomach and what else? The
the
bullet. The
running
bullet.
stomach.
The bullet.
The bullet.
Yeah.
Yes.
There are different kind of sickness can occur in your life.
Right.
Yeah.
But be prepared
Right.
of this weather. Even though some of us we don't have clothes,
Yeah. Dinasar.
we wear sulvakatonga
Right.
because it's dry faster.
Yeah.
Right.
So the tamales usually do the different kind of wetting, eh?
Yeah.
Your tamales will just wet the front porch.
Yeah, some of them will be like that.
Yes.
But we do like this, chulo.
Yeah.
Some when you are sleeping,
Yeah.
they will target you. When you
Yeah.
are dope, grog dope,
Yeah.
and then you
Be
lie there
careful, eh?
peacefully.
Yeah.
That's when they will
The
attack
powder
you.
and the flour too will coming in the morning like
Yes,
this.
yes.
Don't sleeping in the wrong time.
Dinasar, yeah.
Yes.
Sa matakalala
Yes.
na po no, some 4 a.m.
Yeah.
Right.
They coming. But
Right.
the very painful part of our life is this.
Yeah.
Not from the outside.
Right.
The member of your family, they show them the map where you sleep.
Yes.
Limuri you.
Limuri you.
Yeah.
They in front you.
Yeah,
Right.
Dinasar.
Yeah. You go,
Yeah.
they are sleeping.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
tolopang na rumo ni katubo.
Right.
Yeah.
So they come. It's like that.
Yes. And it is very painful when you peacefully
See, if you
sleeping.
don't want to get the
Wet.
wetting,
Yeah.
go to the cemetery and sleep there.
Symmetry meta na meta.
When you
Yeah.
sleep there, you sleep in peace because there's no one there
Right.
to wet you.
If someone comes with the water, don't run.
Yeah,
Because you
don't.
can get hurt.
Yes.
It's only water, eh?
It's only water.
Right.
But don't run like you run in Mondo Mumbula.
Right.
Be in a peaceful manner. And another thing.
Sit
You
like
sabi
this.
issue baka mama attack.
Right.
That's the way
Yeah.
we do.
Yes.
We should do it, eh?
We should
Yes.
do it.
Yeah.
Remember in some village,
Right.
Yeah.
they used to do this when you cross to their village, erlewish.
Yeah.
Ganto sirikira nga may nakamunangan na iyaw.
Right,
di ba,
right,
no?
right.
Right.
Tell us that na ito bobono ya them.
Yeah, that's a traditional way we do it.
Yeah.
But during the Baktawase,
Yeah.
if you stay on your Matangali
Yeah.
or on your side of your village,
Yeah.
don't roaming around
Yeah.
because they are from that side they can ertolebisukiko.
Right.
So the only thing that can untie release you,
Yeah.
is you take the kamunanga, the yaw,
Yeah.
Right.
na isulukatu-katu,
Dinasar.
Aran kan tulis si Reki Komai from that side.
Dinasar.
Yeah, that's why
Yeah.
when you are on your side, the oldies like this. Hey, don't go around.
Iya.
Ni ko na sumay ka because they will know the only thing they will release you is the yaw.
Right.
Kasali mo tigo na yaw yun tong kay lako.
Iya.
If no,
It also happens like
Bitu ko tadi kaya
nabitamban,
February.
nabitamban,
Iya.
korni bitamban, ya.
Iya.
Kung yung nga dia makalilis, son toling kita volleyball, eh.
Iya.
Dotakan kita volleyball at sa sarlibe sutu, mergalay sermay.
Iya, dinasar.
iya.
Dok kami tu nang bula na kita sa pagkanda tahu siguro matangin ko the sweetness of this festive season
Right.
is in the village.
True up.
Iya.
Oh.
Kaya kordoli tahu kina na luben dan
Yes.
dongole na koro.
Yes.
True up.
E bobi rabi kaya to kina e rabul talaga kina.
Right.
Salagi kami da kina nambula nambula babono.
When I come to the village last few days,
Yeah.
when I come to the village, I was like this. Woo! Now it's very hard for us to in the village.
Yeah.
Why? Because solar everywhere.
Yeah.
Lights
Right.
everywhere now, and the
No
and
one
the,
can hide.
and the flowers too. They used to grow there.
Yeah.
They cut the
Cut.
flowers.
Okay.
So very hard to hide.
Right.
So before you maneuver in the dark,
Yes.
sa di basin toa, you rabi there. But now in the satu na sola, so they have to change their tactic now.
Yeah.
Right.
In order to wet their tabale or their
Right.
grandmother or grandfather.
Now,
Yeah.
these two brothers, they stay in Suba now. They are very eramaro rambuningon ni menakoro.
Yeah.
Chesoni and Simeone.
Oi.
Oh, they are very good.
They are the water tank.
They are the water tank and the spire.
Yeah.
Sniper, sniper.
They are sniper and the spire.
Isa and I like when we are in the village
Yeah.
midnight, we go around the houses
Yeah.
and we go and shake their hands.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, we
Lulu
are
Lulu
lucky.
Aboki.
Yeah.
Lulu Aboki.
Yeah,
We
thank
are
you.
lucky. We are thankful
Yeah.
that we are able to reach 2026.
Eh, bawal na kami kaya na kami kadi na buni kaya na maru tingti tingti ni siri ko. Hey, we received one call this morning. We heard myself and Ellen Noah, we heard one conversation going on.
Yes.
And the Mrs. phone. And I think one of the maybe Leo calling the daddy, and the daddy asked. First of all, the daddy asked, "Oh now, I understand more. Why you ask now?
Because I want to ask, they stay in the village. Life in the village is different
Ask the
from
boys
town.
first.
Yes.
Ask the kids first.
Life in the village is different from us in the town.
Right.
Some of us in the town, we wake up at 8, 9.
Yes.
We wake up at 6. Life in the village, you wake up at 4.
Yeah.
Sa akin na mo because of the what?
Yeah.
Because of the rooster they stay there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Natama nito sa alam tu na may matak.
Yeah.
Kaya ngayon doon kay mo de mo, lera mo de tuwang ko tabani uto. Tambaning guawa.
Yeah.
Sa romo-romo may.
Ito kaya kolo.
Yeah.
Batu ya.
Yeah.
But when you stay in the village like that, in the bush,
Yeah.
the only darkness will show in the morning.
Yeah.
That show sa bola ka nararama.
Don't know what.
Right.
Kaun doon ang buto-buto, doon yado may namatakadada.
Yeah.
Kuya sa borita ka sa bola ka nararama.
Be kimene be kan ne ucho siri taro tarongo ko be lewa na matagni kuwa.
Iya.
Ko tarongo be lube no ngone lewa do tamaya bu no girchu mo ortu me na kor. Onna embo tangitiko.
Tangit ko metawa milisyon no ta.
Ang mamagyaw-kyaw na.
Kung mga so nung ngone mertu ba sa
Lewa o na bo mama kiu ng bongi. Gusto ni matatiko.
Tuna ben. Nawangan ngo tuna ben nami punto men nawangan. Malo je na timbi utabata pa ni Blaka. Happy New Year ke muni nama kana tuba seren donan raw.
Right.
Ena kami ni kuote utai tu na rona kaloko kana dapat tu na tinikarua en ambongi lebu entai-entai.
Oh, apo, ito yan rin nakatamay tumbuna, may na Hilton Beach Resort in Denarau.
Yan,
Tumbi sarto nga naudan sa sumagara.
Hey, and na Denarau to all the staff of
Right.
the hotels in Denarau Island. We say na the Sheraton na Hilton
Right.
We hotel kada na Port Marina Denarau Marina. We say
Right.
na to all the staff tuning this morning and to all the staff of every hotels in the Western
Right.
Division. And that was Sabal Balabu, Vidavale Besar, Pomo Island Resort, and Vinaka, Lubiti, Manabi, Siburbura, Nian Rimatavinaca, and Vakatambi Singlikwa. This one gentleman we met in Nakasi last Sunday. Tuno mo kayo, Vabri Binataka, Moka, Vinga, Mataka. Was sort of sitting it on another muni. kaya ko nino manisar-sar siwa naman tagli kuwa pa dudi binaka dudi bitokan ne sigri kuwa yote tinisinga kera nama kina patawasye mbongi binaka ni kuwa
Dira Sara.
Samisoni na torongia yan rabinaka ni be mili mata ni meke may nawaka may nandi.
yan rabinaka
To yan rabinaka iliani ang ngunianga.
Bunga ng dumbula.
do oh
Tinay funga juju. Siya mati ko may rewai ang namataka pinaka ni kuwa Sakaraya Ratumuri.
Oh,
Bet-
membi wala siwol.
hey
Iyo. Put him in the water in
And
the
put him
siwol.
in the water in the seawall.
tui-tui na
Ne mari ko mo siya mati ko may Australia, Queensland.
yan rabinaka tukay
Be bunin rala boy.
wana na bu
Right. Andila salini masi.
iya
Pata kay wise tong ni balu and LM69 not no sorry.
Namun besar beto kan belum habis kemudian kata kita sapa ni bina kada tahu sini baki ada biburon duindu ya namaru entana maru takina kita lebih kaningo na gai go entana gai vital tal ada tiri karuna kaloko mbongi lebu ko ada kada tu bana seren donan raw te bu runa kaloko kembale gai runa kaloko sa pinggir kira udah ngongo
Right.
sing lebu rawa
Iya.
on napatun lona kene yang kon runa kaloko sa start
Ya.
dagai sama tu me tiri karua mbongi lebu tu ni kwa